Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G200, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should open the notification bar, and right there you get the Wi-Fi icon. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi, here tap once to the icon and then just hold for a while, and then you can choose here one from these available networks. And if you want to turn it on, just tap here again to the Wi-Fi icon. And also get the second way, you have just go to the settings application and tap here to the network and internet. Now just here tap once near the Wi-Fi to the switcher to turn on the Wi-Fi on the device. And now just go there, and here can you see we got gain all our available networks, and for example we'll go on with this one. And now just enter here your password. In my case that's from 1 to 8. Here by tap to this checkbox you can see the password. And now just here tap to connect. Wait a few seconds, and as can you see our device successfully connected to this network. And if you want to just change your network to the another one, tap here, tap to forget, and now just you can select the another network by the same way to connect to the network. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.